A very good morning, dear children. Hope you had a wonderful holiday. Hope you all are healthy and safe. Our topic for today is countable and uncountable nouns and singular and plural nouns. Before we start off with the countable and uncountable noun, I just want to revise what is a noun. We all know that noun is the name of a particular person, place, animal, or thing. Then what is a countable noun? A countable noun is one in which the noun can be counted. For example, pencils. If I ask you how many pencils do you have, you can count the number of pencils and thus it is a countable noun. Here we can see an apple. So it means one apple. 10 apples. That means we can count the number of apples. A school means one school. One picture, two pictures. So one picture, we can see one picture, or there are two pictures. So we can count them. Countable nouns can take singular or plural verbs. For example, there is a book on the table. So when we are saying one book, so we are using is. Okay. Those houses are very big, aren't they? So when we are talking about houses, that means there are many houses, not one. So we are using are. Is it clear? Now we come to uncountable noun. Uncountable noun cannot be counted. For example, sugar. Can you count sugar? You can't count sugar. Information. It is an abstract noun. Can you count it? No. Water. Can you count water? No. Understanding, etc. So these are uncountable noun. Uncountable noun always takes the verb form which is singular. That is. There is some water in that picture. So it takes a verb form which is singular in nature. I hope it is clear, children, countable and uncountable noun. Now we come to the singular and plural nouns. Yes. Now we come to singular and plural forms of nouns. What is a singular noun? What do we mean by a singular noun? A singular noun refers to one person, one animal, one place, or one thing. So when we talk about one, it means singular. What is a plural noun? A plural noun refers to more than one person. It can be two or it can be more than two, but it should be more than one. So whenever it is more than one, it becomes a plural. More than one animal, more than one place, and more than one thing. So singular refers to one and plural refers to more than one. Now let us really keep it simple. Singular nouns can be changed to plural nouns. Just follow the rules. There are only few rules which we have to follow and then we can change the singular nouns into plural nouns. The first rule. We come to the first rule. Regular nouns form their plural by adding s. Regular nouns means the nouns which we more or less use daily, regularly. Okay. So regular nouns form their plural by adding simple s. For example, car, cars, bag, bags, horse, horses, garden, gardens. So these are simple regular nouns which are changed into plural by adding s at the end. Clear? Now let us come to rule number 2. What is the rule number 2? See, here we can see if a noun ends with S, double S is missing here. We have written it over here. S, double S, SH, CH, Z or X. Then the noun changes into plural form by adding ES at the end of the word. For example, we can say bus, B-U-S. It ends with S. So, to change it into plural, what do we say? Buses, B-U-S-E-S. Box, it ends with X. So, what do? We add ES at the end to change into plural. Box, boxes. Clear? Glass, it ends with double S, C double S. So, we add ES at the end to change it into plural. Glass, glasses. Bush, it ends with SH. So, we add ES at the end. Bushes. Church, C-H-U-R-C-H, ends with C-H. So, we add ES at the end. Churches. So, whenever a singular noun is ending with S, double S, SH, CH, X or Z, then we add ES to the noun to make it plural. What is rule number 3? Suppose a noun ends with F or FE. Then what happens? Then this F or FE is changed into VE and then S is added to make it a plural noun. Like leaf, L-E-A-F. So in plural, we remove this F, we put VE and then S. Calf, change this F into VE and then we put S. If we take a word ending with FE, wife, W-I-F-E, wife, then we change that FE into VE, wives, W-I-V-E-S, wives. We first change that FE into VE and then we add S to it. So, if a noun ends in F or FE, the FE is often changed to VE before adding S to form its plural. Examples: leaf, leaves, calf, calves, wife, wives, etc. Is it clear? But there is an exception in this case. What is the exception? Not all nouns ending with F or FE form their plurals by changing the F into VE. It is not same in all cases that F or FE will change into VE. Some words like belief, it does not change into VE. We just put S at the end of F to change into plural. Now, come to the fourth rule. Listen to it very carefully, dear children. If a noun ends with Y and the letter just before Y is a consonant. You know vowels and consonant. How many vowels are there? 5. A, E, I, O and U. Rest all are consonants. So, if a noun ends with Y and the letter before that Y is a consonant, then what happens? Then this Y changes into I, E, S in the plural form. Is it clear? If it ends with Y and there is a consonant letter, P is a consonant letter before Y, then it changes into I, E, S in the plural form. Puppy, puppies. Okay? City, it ends with Y and T is consonant, cities. Baby, Y is ending with letter Y and there is a consonant before Y, babies. Is it clear? So, A nouns in singular form, if it ends with Y and there is a consonant letter before Y, then it changes into IES in the plural form. Clear, children?